Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another hair review. I'm really excited because it is my first time actually trying out a different color. So this is what the color's looking like. And I want to thank each and every one of you for really supporting me. We've reached over 90,000 subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. But as far as the hair, I'll make sure to put all of the information and all of the links in the description box down below. And yeah, so I got this wig. It's actually a wig. I didn't have to do anything to it. I got this wig from a company called DYHAIR77777, and it came in this bag. I've reviewed this company before, and I really haven't had any problems with them, so that's a great thing. Shipping was really fast. It only took 3 days to get to Germany, and it came with DHL, and they also provided me with a tracking number, so I really love that. And hold up, let me show you guys. They also sent me some nice lashes that I will definitely be trying out. They actually look really nice. I can't wait to try them out. And as far as the hair, this is 100% virgin hair, and this is their Brazilian straight wig. And you can choose any length that you want to. That's what I really like about their website. You can choose the length on their website and what hair texture you would like. So I got the Brazilian, and the length is 18 inches. And the density of the hair is 130%. So if you want a higher density, maybe this is not for you, but I actually really like it because that's how my natural hair is. Like, I have curly hair, but when I straighten it, it is seriously just like this. The hair is extremely soft. When I received it, it had slightly a smell to it, but I think it's because they dyed it. So I just went ahead and washed the hair, and then after that I styled it, and I got this look. I'll make sure to insert a clip at the end of the video so you guys can see how I actually achieved this look. The hair came with baby hair in the front, which I really like, and it also comes with baby hair in the back, just in case if I want to put this wig up in a bun or in a ponytail. And the knots, they also came bleached, so that's a great thing. I literally didn't have to do anything. The only thing that I had to do to it was wash the hair. You can style this hair if you want to put some curls or just flat iron it so it can be bone straight. You can do that, but make sure that your flat iron is not over 150. So I just did 140 on my flat iron, and I'm really loving this hair. Like, the hair is extremely soft. My family been saying that it really looks good on me, so I can't actually really wear it outside. Let me know if you guys want me to do a updated video on this hair, and if you want me to do like a different hairstyle, because I'm thinking about doing like a whole bunch of curls to it. Look at this color. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna do a quick spin so you guys can see how long it is. So this is 18 inches. I'm really loving this hair. So this is what the hair looks like, and it also came with baby hair. Y'all, me and baby hair, I'll be trying to do like the whole swoops and all that. If you guys have like some ideas, not ideas, like tips on how I can like really do it really good, make sure to put that in the comment section down below. I even watch YouTube videos, but I still can't get it to how others do it. I still be trying to use like some like gel, and then I also just use a toothbrush, but I mean, I guess it's okay. But yeah, let me know what you guys actually think of this hair. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And since we're almost close to 100K, I do have a big giveaway for you guys. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve this look, and yeah. So this is what the hair looks like straight after I washed it. The hair is still extremely soft, so what I just did was I went over it with my flat iron just to kind of get it straightened before I bumped the ends. And before you straighten your hair or put any heat on your hair, make sure to put some heat protection on your hair as well. I just used some oil that I had put on it before I started this video. And here you can see when I bump the ends, the only thing that I do is I run the flat iron through it probably one time, and then I would go like to the bottom, and then I would curl it towards my face. And that's what I would do throughout my whole hair. I decided to do a side part with this wig. You can part it wherever you want. Look at how beautiful this hair is. And once again, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you curl or flat on your hair, make sure that the heat is under 150 degrees. Here I got my scissors and I would just like trim it a little bit just so when I layer my hair with the flat iron, it will bump it a little bit just so it won't be too long. But I do think that I will do more layers for my second look when I like curl my hair. All I'm doing here is making sure that I curled or straightened all of the hair like how I want it. And then I'm almost done. This look is very quick. It only took me like 10 minutes to do it. And yeah, this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know what you guys think of the hair color. I really think that it's gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.